गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरा गुरु साक्षात परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः. The one who teaches us, one who loves us, the one who corrects our mistake, the one who motivates us, and at the time shouts us when we misbehave, the one who imbibes us with the values of dance. To the one, a very happy Guru Purnima, miss, to a wonderful Guru you always have been to me and others. Thank you for being you.
Hello Miss, happy Guru Purnima. So this year we are not able to meet and celebrate Guru Purnima like every year. But yes, we have chosen something special way to convey our message to you. Secondly, it's 25th year of Janakritya Academy, and I'm very happy to be the part of this extended family. You have always played a important role in students' life. You have always supported them, encouraged them, or not only in professional way but also in a personal life too. We always share a special bond with you, which is more than Guru and Shishya. Today people love us, love our dance. It's all because of you. You are always being our support system, the backbone. And I would say like our life is really incomplete without you. So once again, happy Guru Purnima, and we love you, Miss.
Hello Miss, Guru Purnimecha hardik shubhecha. This year marks the 25th year of Janakritya Academy, which is amazing, and I'm grateful to be a part of it for almost 15 years now. I have learnt a lot from you. You have inculcated values in us, you have supported us throughout, and you've seen us grow, literally. You are the epitome of a passionate dancer. I really admire you and I respect you a lot. And I want to keep learning from you forever. And yeah, I'm really blessed to be a student of yours. Because of you, I've met my friends, colleagues, and the bond we have is amazing. I really love you, and a happy Guru Purnima to you again. Thank you, Miss.
Namaskar. Happy Guru Purnima, Miss. Congratulations on the 25th year of Janakritya Academy. I'm truly blessed to be a part of this academy from the past 14 years, and I'm grateful to have a guru like you. You have always taught us to be self-disciplined, well-mannered and self-presentable, whether it is in normal life or on the stage, and indeed it has been a great impact in our life. So thank you so much, and it's always great being around you with the smile of yours, which is always full of positivity. You've always been there for us, no matter what the situation is. So thank you so much. Bye, Miss.
हेलो मैम, हैप्पी गुरु पूर्णिमा. यहाँ से आपकी ब्लेसिंग्स ले रही हूँ. सो आज से कुछ 10-11 साल पहले मैं आपसे मिली थी. तब मैं काफ़ी शाय इंट्रोवर्ट लड़की थी, ज़्यादा बात नहीं करती थी लोगों से. बट आपने मुझे टाइम दिया सेटल होने के लिए, और मुझ में खूब सारा कॉन्फिडेंस भरा, और मैं बहुत थैंकफुल हूँ उसके लिए. आपने हमेशा मुझे पुश किया, आपने मुझे औरों से ज़्यादा डांटा, बट आई नो कि आप मेरी केयर भी उतनी ही ज़्यादा करते थे. आप एक आर्टिस्ट हो, आप बहुत हार्ड वर्किंग हो, बट उससे भी ज़्यादा आप काफ़ी एक स्ट्रॉन्ग इंडिपेंडेंट वुमेन हो, जो मैं हमेशा देखकर इंस्पायर होती हूँ. एंड आई रियली एडमायर दैट. आपने डांस तो सिखाया ही, तैयारी से वर्णन तक. डांस के एस्थेटिक्स, टेक्निक्स, खुद को कैसे एक्सप्रेस करते हैं, बट उससे भी ज़्यादा जो आप लाइफ लेसन्स देती थी, स्पेशली डांस क्लास ख़त्म होने के बाद जो हम बैठ के सुनते थे, वो आज तक मुझे याद है. और डेफिनेटली मेरी पर्सनालिटी में काफ़ी चेंजेस वो सब के बाद ही आए हैं. थैंक यू फॉर मेकिंग मी हु आई एम राइट नाउ. आई एम वेरी ग्रेटफुल, आई एम वेरी थैंकफुल. I wish you all ऑल द हैप्पीनेस इन द वर्ल्ड. अब हेल्दी रहो, प्रॉस्पर करो, एंड आई रियली मिस यू, आई रियली मिस झनक. थैंक यू.
Namaste, I am Madhura. Congratulations to Bhupali Teacher and Jhanak Nritya Academy for completing 25 years. I would like to share with everyone today that I was Bhupali Teacher's first student in Bombay, and she started her journey of Jhanak Nritya Academy with me in Bombay, and today I'm quite thrilled about this fact. On this auspicious occasion, I would like to wish Bhupali Teacher and Jhanak Nritya Academy all the very best for the future. Thank you.
नमस्कार मिस, गुरु पौर्णिमेच्या हार्दिक शुभेच्छा. My journey with Janak has been so mesmerizing. Since day one, you not only taught me steps but also taught me life lessons which are very important. You taught me how to be disciplined, which I wasn't. You scold me to bring the best out of me, I know, but also after some time you hug me. That's what makes me love you more. All I want to say is you are not just a teacher, you are a mother, you are a friend. Thanks for maintaining such a friendly relations with us. All I want to say is Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwara, Gurur Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Also, miss, please don't stop calling me Gaddu. I love when you call me Gaddu. Thank you.